My people, no be smart, make una come here. Finally, they don't go carry the test where they no want do since for Mazina the Carlo body. As it stand right now, it be like say the court case go soon come, maybe tomorrow as I dey see am. Now I want you to watch this video, may you listen and hear, understand the things wey fit play for the court tomorrow. Stay tuned and watch the full video and share. All we ask is for Mazina the Carlo unconditional release, because Mazina the Carlo cannot be used as a threat by Bata or politics, to use them as a campaign or politics coming 2027, because that is where the Yorubas are driving to, the APC Nigeria government. So the message we are keeping quiet does not mean that we are quiet. Time shall tell. The reason that they call now.
Let me read this for you. The Nigerian Medical Association has conducted the court-ordered health examinations on the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. The Secretary General of the NMA, Dr. Ben Egbo, confirmed developments in an interview. He said, and I quote, "The courts gave an order that we should do it, I think, within 8 days. And immediately, the DSS wrote to us. We summoned a committee of 7 doctors with 1 coordinator, making it 8. We had the 7 doctors from the 7 geopolitical zones of Nigeria with different fields of specialty in ophthalmology, neurology, urology, gastroenterology, and other various areas of specialty. They went there, examined Nnamdi Kanu, and the committee wrote their report to us, and it was sent to the Attorney General of the Federation. In addition, he said, we have submitted the report to the Attorney General's office as instructed. Anyone seeking details should contact the Ministry of Justice." This is exactly the words of Dr. Ben Egbo, the Nigerian Medical Association Secretary General. This is the new development because I have patiently been waiting for these 8 days to, come by and to see how it's going to play out. I think the 8th day was exactly on Saturday, but Saturday was a weekend, so it had to be definitely Monday that the report was going to come out. This is what I have to say. This is the first time I'm ever hearing that somebody in the custody of the DSS, of the prisons, of the police, will have to be checked independently to ascertain the level of his health before he can be granted or given even medicine or proper treatment. I mean, this person is in your house. Even normal human beings in their homes don't need to consult doctors before they know somebody has malaria or somebody is dying in your house. You can tell. If you look at somebody in your room, even you watching me right now, check your house. You know who is sick and who is not sick. Why are we lying to ourselves? What is all this jack play? All this play, are we playing with ourselves or what? Are we fools? Are we stupid? That somebody is in the cell, that you are there, he's vomiting there. He is hot, his body's temperature is high, his eye is red. You need somebody outside to come and tell you. Didn't you hear what they said, that we are the first doctors of ourselves? Before you go to hospital, first of all, you will be sick before you go to hospital. So why are we pretending that we do not know? Why are we lying? Why do we keep on looking for any small reason to keep torturing this man, elongating his stay and keeping him longer than usual? What do we stand to gain? Omotosho, what do you stand to gain? Federal government of Nigeria, what do you stand to gain? This is just witch hunting. Because like I said, you need 8 days to verify somebody's health. What if the person dies in 8 days? Even ordinary medical checkup, you go for checkup in ordinary chemist or pharmacy around you, doesn't take a day or 2 to verify. If you want to do blood tests, it's a day. It's a day. Doctors don't even need the 8 days. Even if you want them to check for 8 days, you don't need the 8 days. They need 3 days. 2 days is okay. If you want to even do it speedily like that. Also, this goes to show clearly that the Nigerian federal government lacks human sympathy, human empathy. This is the reason of the disconnection between the government and the people. That is why people are enjoying, the rich are getting richer and the poor are getting poorer. It's because they do not care for the common man. Look at the kind of dehumanizing treatment you are giving somebody because you don't like where he comes from. Also, treating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has nothing to do with the court case he is standing for. Has nothing to do with the trial he's passing through. Treating him has nothing. It doesn't mean that you have set him free. It doesn't mean that you have now set him free. So there is nothing you have to gain or to lose from giving him proper medical checkup. Because you can give him medical checkup and you want to find him guilty, you are still free. Of course. So what is this fuss about denying him medical health care? Is there something you want to achieve? Is there something that you're looking for that you have not seen that you want to see? You want to check if it will finally happen? Also, with the myriads of problems in Nigeria, both locally, internationally, as regards poverty, economy, insecurity, and whatever, how is Nnamdi Kanu a threat to the development of Nigeria? How is Nnamdi Kanu a threat to the security of Nigeria? When we all know that Nigeria is suffering from insecurity issues, and of all the terrorist groups, bandit groups around the country, it is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu who is the chief threat. And since you have arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has the security in the country gotten better or gotten worse? In fact, ever since he was kidnapped, security in the country has skyrocketed, and Nigeria has gradually become the terrorism capital of the world. Yes, the southeast has become infested with kidnappers, terrorists, bandits, of which when he was around, this never happened. Check the index. So all this boils back to the point that keeping Nnamdi Kanu in the cell and denying him medical treatment is a witch hunt attempted to make him give up. To make him give up. Then the federal government can say he died in custody. So a dead Nnamdi Kanu is better for Nigeria than an alive Nnamdi Kanu. That is the way you see it. That is the way you are doing it. How does it make sense to me? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. How many lives has Nnamdi Kanu taken from Nigeria? How many buildings has he destroyed? How many lives has Nnamdi Kanu taken? And how many lives has Bello Turuji from Sokoto taken? How many lives has Asai Dokubo taken from Nigeria when he was fighting militancy? And how many lives has Nnamdi Kanu taken from Nigeria? Calculate it. Calculate it. We have the police that can do investigation. They should find out, so that you will know who is the real threat to your country. So when I say that this medical blockade for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is an attempt to end his life, I don't mince words. Because there is no way that treating Nnamdi Kanu stops you from the court case that he is passing through. It doesn't guarantee that he is going to walk free. It just means that you saw that the person that's going to court with you is not feeling fine, and you want to treat him so that you can go back to court with him. Fair play. Fair play, because if he dies, everything that he's fighting for, that he's arguing in the court, will die with him. We will never hear the truth. We will never hear the real judgment of this case. Because the first courts have already granted him victory. You said no, you want to go to Supreme Court. Supreme Court said, okay, the case should start again from beginning. Imagine, you have run 100 meters with somebody, you won the person say no. Let's start again from beginning. Can you be there and easy? Can you be there and easy? You can imagine the cheating. You have won the person 100 meters. First one, he said no, his shoes is spoiled. Second case again, second 100 meters, you won him. He said no, that he ate too much amala or too much ewedu. You want to run again. You did this thing 5 times with him. You say, no, let us reschedule the match again another month. Then along the line, you want to kill him. Makes no sense. Makes no sense. So, well, we are still watching to see how all this will pan out. Hopefully, Omotosho will, resume. We'll call, a court session. With this, now he has something to, call a court session for. Let us see how this is going to play out. because there is no time. There is no time. There is no time. We need this man to go for proper medical checkup. There is no time. So summon this court case now, and I'm sure of what is in that paper, that there is positive sign in that medical examination. Because out of all the people that have tried and checked his health in that JSS dungeon, 99 or 100% of them have maintained that this man is sick. So I don't see anything that the Nigerian Medical Association is going to say that is different. I don't see it. It's not going to happen. That is the highest body of medicals in the world in Nigeria. I doubt they're going to play politics with this health. I doubt.
My people, I want you to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. I see the red.